Lexus is one of the most desired premier car brands in the world. Lexus is the luxury division of Toyota, and its reputation for producing the best of the best precedes them. Lexus makes exciting cars, have outstanding craftsmanship, are durable, and can stand the test of time. Its exaggerated style is prestigious and often associated with the wealthy. Not only is Lexus one of the top 10 global brands in Japan, but it is also the largest seller of premium cars with over 70 countries worldwide marketing its vehicles. Honda and Nissan have introduced their luxury car brands, namely Acura and Infiniti respectively. Yet still, since 2000, the Lexus sale has increased notably outside of its largest buyer's market, the United States. We can see there is no stopping this super brand. In this video, we will introduce the top 5 Lexus cars that will blow your mind and your pockets. Lexus ES. The Lexus ES comes with a price tag of $39,900. You are looking more at a sports sedan with all the comfort, quality rides, and smooth cruising capabilities. The model offers 3 different powertrains: a V6 engine with 302 horsepower, a hybrid setup with outstanding fuel economy, and a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder with an all-wheel drive. The cabin of the ES is made from the finest of material, supportive seats, and enough space for you to enjoy the vehicle. Technology in this beauty offers modern and future-grade updates and options for connectivity. This particular Lexus offers slightly less driving satisfaction than other luxury cars in its class, but sells for a better price than an Audi A6 or even an E-Class Mercedes-Benz. This year, Lexus added the ES250 to its fleet, powered by a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder standard with all-wheel drives. Are you wondering what else is interesting about this car? It has a 3.5-liter V6 that gives off a 302 horsepower and an 8-speed automatic transmission. It is fuel efficient with the ES350 going to 22 to 32 miles per gallon. With a hybrid, the ES350H is going 43 to 44 miles per gallon mileage. With a surround sound system that is to die for, you should try and get a test drive. Lexus GX 460. The next Lexus on our list is the GX 460, with a $66,385 price tag. This Lexus was expertly crafted and designed luxury sport utility vehicle. Its engines entail a V8 4.6-liter engine and a 6-speed transmission, which is a lot of power, 301 horsepower to be exact. The Lexus GX 460 gives you the confidence you need to take on the road, with all the advantages you would need from a car. It is extremely fuel efficient. You will not find this level of comfort in many of the other off-road capable vehicles. The seats are leather, ventilated, and heated, and even the steering wheels are heated. This vehicle is great to be inside of and extremely quiet when on the road. The dynamic look of this vehicle is topped off with the new signature grille with block mesh pattern. The premium triple-beam LED headlights make the look of the vehicle elegant and bold, giving it sweet visibility heading up the road. The tail lamps are paired with scarlet and a metallic black finish on the tailpipe, and the wheels are a sweet 19 inches. This vehicle is sweet, luxurious, and just right. Lexus LS 500. This car is so sexy. Meet the 2019 Lexus LS 500. This elegant beauty has a sleek look and feel both inside and out. An all-wheel drive with a powerful motor. When first introduced to the world, this model was only available for purchase in the United States. Today, this car is available in 90 markets worldwide. The price tag on this LS 500 is $75,000. This flagship model is equipped with V6 twin-turbo, which offers excellent power acceleration. In just 4.6 seconds, 0 to 60 can be achieved. The small is compact and just right, and the interior will have you feeling as if you are flying first class on a jet. While this vehicle may look sporty, it is all luxury, and its performance speaks for itself. If you compare the LC500 with an Acura NSX or even the Porsche 911, you will see why the Lexus is a superior brand. Its stunning performance, world-class look gives you everything you need in a single car. The vehicle's advanced safety features include the rear-view camera, an automated emergency braking system, and a forward collision warning. It can detect pedestrians and parking sensors for both the rear and front end of the vehicle. Approximately 17 cubic feet of cargo can be fitted into the trunk of this vehicle, almost as much as the trunk size of the Mercedes S560. You can choose to add an armrest with controls, a touchscreen display up to 7 inches, and a back row environment to your car. What else could one ask for? The Lexus LIT IS. The second-to-last Lexus LIT IS is also the fourth of the 5 most expensive Lexus on this list, and with good reason. This Lexus can send signals like no car before it. It is equipped with over 41,990 LED lights well-designed and programmed. The Lexus LIT IS can react to movements and music around it. The model you are looking at is 2017 and it did not disappoint. This car was made to provoke. It is bold, durable, and fearless. This Lexus is all one would want in a vehicle. The LED and the lights give 175,000 lumen output when they are all switched on at maximum. There are several modes to this vehicle, including one that can sync the lights with the music playing, creating a light equalizer show from the car. While I may never be able to afford this car, I do have one in my fantasy that no one can drive but me. Let us know in the comments below which Lexus has been your favorite so far. Lexus LFA Nurburgring. If I had this car, I would probably never drive it. I would be too busy drooling at its beauty every day. Lexus LFA Nurburgring is designed and manufactured with futuristic technology that you will not see anywhere else. You could call this a supercar as it has 564 horsepower, assembled with a V10 engine and can attain up to 200 miles an hour. This sports supercar is top-notch with a high-speed jet aviation feel and a cruising speed of 425 miles per hour. No question if this car was designed with the next generation in mind. The LF series started in development in early 2000. The first concept, the LFA, was introduced publicly in 2005, and in 2007 the second concept was introduced. Only 500 of the LFA were manufactured, and only 50 of that 500 was the Nürburgring model, making this series rare and well-desired. A new carbon fiber reinforced plastic was added to the car in the form of a spoiler. A fixed rear wing and dive planes were also added. It also has adjustable top-of-the-line suspensions, mesh-type tires with grippers, and bespoke. No need to worry about the rear box being a stick shift. The recalibrated gearbox makes shifting as if it never even happened. All this and more wrap in a beautiful package and could be priced anywhere between $900,000 and $1,200,000. For some, this amount is very durable. For others, it is way overpriced, but definitely worth it. What do you think? As sure as we are that you are daydreaming about one of these vehicles from Lexus, we want to say a big thank you for watching today's video. Continue to support our channel by liking, sharing, subscribing, and telling a friend. See you in the next video.